I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to talk you through layering 2 Silent Gliss Metropoles. If you're looking for varying the privacy or shading coming into your room throughout the day, layering can offer a great solution. It's quite common to feature a voile or a sheer, a nice lightweight fabric on the back track with a heavier curtain on the front, and this could just feature a standard lining, or if the tracks are going in a bedroom, you may wish to consider a blackout lining or even a blackout fabric for the main curtains. If you're layering 2 Metropoles and ceiling fixing, simply order 2 tracks and position one in front of the other and with the same ceiling fix brackets. If you're wall fixing, however, you will need to order the Universal Extendable Smart Fix brackets to accommodate the 2 tracks. Silent Gliss have done a fantastic video on how to use the brackets for a double layering system, so please do view their video for more information. But just to show you what the brackets look like, this is the white bracket. It's also available in silver, and it features a magnetic cover plate like the standard Silent Gliss brackets. And then for the double layering, you can move the little screw here along the track so that it can accommodate the two tracks. The brackets are available with 3 different projections. So there's a 120mm projection, 150 and 200mm, and they are extendable. The 200mm would recommend for 2 tracks, as this will give you ample room to accommodate the 2 tracks and your curtains. With regards to the Metropole diameters and layering options, the 23mm Metropole is a great option for a lightweight voile and sheer. And indeed, you could just fix two 23mm Metropoles together, or you may wish to feature a slightly thicker 30mm on the front with the 23 on the back. Or you may wish to consider the bigger 50mm on the front, and again the 23mm could be used for the lightweight sheer or voile on the back. With regards to curtain heading type, the 200mm bracket does extend to 220. However, that is still a little bit tight to feature 2 wave curtains. So in theory it can be done, but it is tight. So we'd recommend either the Swiss pleat heading style or a gathered heading such as a pencil pleat for your voile on the back, and then an alternative heading style on the front. You could feature for a traditional look, you might want to opt for a double or a triple pinch pleat, or feature a wave, the modern wave curtain heading style, and the Swiss pleat on the back and the wave on the front work really well together, as shown in the images coming on the screen now. Silent Gliss offer a great range of fabrics, so please do view the full collection on our website. Their fabrics vary from lightweight sheers and voiles to semi-sheers, dim-out fabrics and blackout fabrics, and they feature a range of technical fabrics as well. Their acoustic fabrics have been designed to help absorb sound in a room, which can be really useful in open plan living spaces where there's tall ceilings, where sound can bounce around off hard surfaces such as kitchen units or wooden or stone floors. They also offer a range of light reflective fabrics which feature an aluminium backing, so reflect the light and heat back out of the room. Again, these can be really useful for south-facing rooms where there's lots of glazing. Please get in touch if you'd like any fabric swatches sending out or any of the Metropole track samples, and we'd be delighted to pop some in the post to you. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, or please call us on 01590 615 775. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us a thumbs up, and please subscribe to our channel to be kept up to date with new product news and information and home interiors hints and tips. Thank you very much for watching.